Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to remove Hyundai Tucson front grille full guide. Park on level ground, engage the parking brake, and disconnect the battery before you start. I'll walk you through the tools, fasteners, and simple steps to remove the grille without scratching paint or breaking clips. Follow my paste instructions, keep parts organized, and I'll share tips to speed reassembly. Stay patient and use gentle leverage to protect trim and clips. Start by assembling the right tools and a clean workspace so the job feels easy and controlled. I'll describe each tool's role and how to prevent common mistakes like stripped screws or broken clips. We'll prep the bumper edges with tape and use gentle, even force when releasing fasteners. I'll explain how to separate clips safely and how to label parts for straightforward reinstallation. Small prep prevents big headaches later. I'll guide you step by step through detaching the lower trim, undoing top screws, and releasing clips without forcing anything. We'll inspect for sensor connectors and show how to safely unplug them without damaging wiring. Follow the left-to-right approach so nothing gets missed and parts stay organized. I'll share a couple of clip release tricks that protect the grille tabs and explain how to set fasteners aside in order for simple reassembly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.